This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a quick look at voiding an incorrect completed sales transaction on the XE-A303, 406 or 40S registers. So in my previous video I've demonstrated how to correct a mistake on a sales transaction during the sale, so i.e. before the sale's been cashed off. In this video we're taking a look at what to do if you've cashed the transaction off and the transaction is void, so i.e. you haven't received any money for it for whatever reason. The first thing I'm going to do is ring through the incorrect sale, so 10000 into my department 5, cash the sale off. That is a mistake. Either I was testing the till, or the customer has changed their mind, or I've entered through too high an amount of money and I now want to void that transaction and then enter it again correctly. The procedure is really straightforward. The only thing you need is the manager key, so the normal key will not turn to the void mode. So on the key lock you have a void symbol here, like the void mode, the void button there, but here we're using the actual void mode. So if you try and turn the normal key as far as the void mode, it won't get there. It'll only go to these couple. So you need the key marked MA, and you need to turn it around to the void position. So it may be that the manager only has access to this MA key. Once you're in the void mode, the till obviously says void and comes up with an orange display to remind you that you're in the void mode. And then the void itself is straightforward. All you do is replicate what you did incorrectly exactly. So the amount of money was 10000. The department was number 5, and then crucially the method of payment was cash. So you hit the TLNS button. It's really important you replicate everything. So department 5 total has now been corrected. The amount of money the till's taken overall has been corrected, but also because we pressed the cash button, the cash amount in the drawer is correct as well. The next most important thing to do is to turn the key to off, put the OP key back in, and then get back into the reg mode to make sure you don't do any more accidental voids. So there we go, there's the sale at the top, £100 into department 5, cash payment, and then the void mode, you get a slightly different printout appear on the receipt just to confirm it was a void. And then when you do your end of day sales report, I'll quickly show you the X version. The void will be recorded on there. So around to the X version one. Just get that printed out, and you can see there. So I've done a few voids today, but you've got a separate total for your void there. Showing is there void mode, that symbol, the infinity symbol. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XE-A303 and other Sharp cash registers, including the one on how to correct a mistake during a sales transaction. So feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.